It's a secret. It's a secret. Don't tell Dad.
Big secret! Surprise!
Cake! Oh no!
What secret?
Okay, listen up. Dad's birthday is this Saturday. We need a plan.
A surprise party! Can we do balloons?
Yes! Blue balloons. His favorite color.
And a big cake! Chocolate cake!
Perfect. But remember, this is a secret. Nobody tells Dad, okay?
Okay. My lips are sealed. Cross my heart.
Good. Now, Tom, can you invite Uncle Jack? Quietly.
Sure, Mom. No problem.
Secret! Haha! Secret!
Uh-oh. Rio is listening too.
Oh no. Rio, please, keep it down.
Hey, Rio. We're planning a surprise party for Dad. Surprise! Surprise! Shh. Not so loud. It's a secret, remember?
Secret party! Saturday!
Whoa. Okay, stop talking now, buddy. You know, Rio, you're actually a pretty good listener. Better than my little sister.
Good listener! Squawk!
Ha! See? We're friends now. So here's the plan. Saturday, blue balloons, chocolate cake, and Uncle Jack is coming too. Uncle Jack! Chocolate cake! Yes, exactly. You got it, buddy. Tom, why are you talking to the parrot about the party? I don't know. He's a good listener. He's a bad secret keeper. Birds repeat everything. Come on, Emma. He's just a bird. He doesn't understand what he's saying. That doesn't matter. He can still say it. Out loud. To Dad. Huh. I didn't think about that. Of course you didn't. You never think things through. Hey, that's not fair. Is it, though? Okay, fine. You're right. This is bad. We have to be more careful. Dad could be home any minute. What do we do? I can't unteach a parrot. I don't know. Just don't say any more secret words around him.
Secret words! Secret words!
Rio!
Hey kids, I'm home.
Oh, hi, Dad. How was work?
It was fine. Are you okay? You look nervous.
Me? No, I'm totally fine.
Surprise party! Saturday! Chocolate cake!
Wait, what did he just say?
Oh, Rio is just making noise. He does that a lot. Yeah, random noise. He's a crazy bird.
Okay, if you say so.
That was close. We need a new plan for Rio.
Honey, can we talk?
Sure. What's wrong?
I think I already know about the surprise party.
What? How?
Rio told me. Well, sort of.
Dad, we're so sorry. The party is ruined now. We worked so hard on it.
Wait. Don't be sad.
But you know everything now.
Actually, kids, I have a confession too.
What do you mean, Dad?
I already knew about the party. For 2 days now.
2 days? Why didn't you say anything?
Because I wanted to see your faces on Saturday. I didn't want to ruin the fun.
Dad, you're sneaky.
Guilty as charged.
Wait. How did you find out? Was it really Rio?
Actually, yes. 2 days ago, he flew onto my shoulder and said, "Surprise! Balloons! Cake!" I just put the pieces together.
Oh my goodness. That bird has no filter.
None at all. But don't worry, I didn't say anything. I acted surprised every time.
You did? We never noticed.
I'm a good actor, kiddo. Maybe I should be in movies.
Sure, Dad. Hollywood is calling.
So, this whole time you knew?
Yes. But there's something you don't know.
What is it?
Our anniversary is next week. And I have a secret gift for you, Sarah.
A gift? What kind of gift?
It's a secret. I can't tell you.
Come on, just a hint?
Nope. Not even a little hint?
Is it something big?
Maybe.
Is it something shiny?
Maybe. Why do you ask?
Tom, stop guessing. Let him keep his surprise.
Thank you, honey. At least someone respects secrets in this family.
Diamond necklace! Diamond necklace!
Rio, no!
A diamond necklace?
Well, the secret's out now.
Dad, you're just like us. Rio got you too. This bird can't keep any secret.
Honey, that's so sweet.
I love you too. I guess Rio has other plans for us.
I love you. Well, I guess we don't need to keep secrets anymore.
True! Rio tells everyone anyway.
From now on, no more secrets in this house. Rio makes sure of that.
You're a funny bird, Rio. Funny bird.
Well, since everyone knows everything now, let's just celebrate together.
Right now.
That sounds perfect. Happy early birthday, Dad. And happy early anniversary, Mom and Dad.
Best surprise party, even without the surprise.
Thanks to Rio.
Happy birthday!
See? Even the bird knows how to celebrate. I booked the wrong hotel.
Did you read the full name?
Dad, are you okay?
I have a plan.
Why is Dad running?
He forgot the food.
That is very small, Dad.
It is a snack. Perfect! Family, I have big news. We are going on vacation.
Really? Where? Where?
We are going to the beach. It is going to be perfect.
When do we go? Tomorrow?
Yes, tomorrow morning.
Did you book the hotel?
I have a plan.
What is the plan, Dad?
Our plan is very simple. We will find a hotel when we get there.
That is not a yes. Tom, do not put your dinosaurs in the suitcase.
But Mom, they want to go to the beach too.
Honey, where are my shorts?
In the closet, where they always are.
I don't see them.
There, right there.
Oh, I see them now. Thank you.
Are we there yet?
No, Tommy. We just left.
Are we there yet?
Still no.
Are we?
No!
I'm hungry.
We have food in the bag. Right, honey?
I forgot the food bag.
Wow! This hotel has dogs!
I think I booked the wrong hotel.
What do you mean, wrong hotel?
It says Hotel Sunset. I booked Hotel Sunset. But this one is for dogs.
Did you read the full name?
I read Hotel Sunset. I stopped there.
Are we dogs?
Can I be a dog, please? I want to stay here.
We are here! The beach! Look!
The sky is very dark, Dad.
No. It is fine. Let's swim!
Honey, look at the sky.
I am very wet now.
A little cloud, you said.
It got bigger. Okay, plan B, there is a restaurant near here. Let's eat.
Is it open?
Yes, it opens at 11 a.m. It is 7 p.m.
Plan C?
There is a mini mart. They have sandwiches.
This is very small.
Yes, it is.
Dad,
Yes, Tom?
this is my best vacation ever.
Really?
Yes, I met a dog. I ate a sandwich in the rain. And I have Mr. Dino!
See? Perfect.
Next time, I book the hotel.
Yes!
Yes.
Good morning, everyone.
Eat up, kids. We're running late.
Hurry up, kids. The school bus comes at 8 o'clock.
Dad, I am ready. I have my bag. I am almost ready. Where is my red pencil case?
It is on the table, Emma. Come and eat your bread. Where's Sarah?
I don't know. She was here 1 minute ago. Maybe she is in the bedroom?
I will look for her. Please finish your breakfast. Sarah? Are you okay? Where are you? Are you in the bathroom, Sarah?
Yes. I am in here. Please wait a moment.
We are late. The kids need to go to school.
I know. My stomach hurts. I needed the toilet right now.
Oh. Are you okay? Do you need medicine?
No, I am fine. I ate too much fruit last night. Please, just one more minute.
Emma, why is Dad standing at the bathroom door? I don't know. Maybe Mom is sick? I heard Mom say her stomach hurts. Oh, that happened to me last week. I ate too many green mangoes. Ha! Me too. It is not nice.
Okay, kids. Mom is okay. She just needs a few more minutes.
But Dad, the bus is coming at 8.
I know. Pack your bags. I will take you to school today by car.
Yay! Dad's car is faster than the bus.
Tom, please bring Mom a glass of water. Put it near the bathroom door.
Yes, Dad, I can do that. Let's go! Hurry!
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay. I am done. I feel much better now.
Moom! We were so worried!
Haha, I'm sorry, Tom. Thank you for the water. That was very sweet. I ate 8 mangoes. 8? Yes. That was a big mistake.
8 mangoes. No wonder.
Okay, kids, remember, don't eat too much of anything. Even fruit.
I will remember that, Mom. Especially mangoes. And green mangoes, too, right, Mom?
Yes, Emma, both green and ripe. Have a good day at school.
Let's go! Say goodbye to Mom.
Bye, Mom. I love you. Love you, Mom. Rest and drink water.
I love you all too. Go, go, go!